In this video, you're going to learn how I turned $12,500 into $5 million. My name is David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com. So the way that I turned $12,000 into $5 million is that I didn't. All of those guys who tell you that they turned $5,000 into $10 million are complete scam artists. Not only are you not going to make money by following their system, but you are actually going to lose money, because the only way that provides you with a statistically significant and profitable way for you to earn consistent profits in the stock market is by selling options, specifically put options. You want to act as the casino, not like the gambler, and the only way of doing that is by selling options. If you try to sell or trade futures or day trade or forex or penny stocks or engage in technical analysis, you are going to lose all your money. So how did I turn 12,000 into 5 million? I didn't, because it is not possible.